Hi everyone, welcome. Today's topic will be yarn. There's three main groups: nature made, like cotton, bamboo, and linen. We have animal made, like wool, mohair, and alpaca. And we have the human made, like acrylic, polyester, and nylon. They all have different pros and cons, and you should focus on your projects. Is it amigurumi, clothes, accessories, blankets, pillows? Some yarn works better for clothes, some works better for amigurumis, and some works for different things. Since I mostly crochet amigurumi, like my pin cushion here, I mostly use cotton, bamboo, and acrylic. Sometimes I also use this chenille, which is a polyester. It's a very popular yarn for soft plushies. It's thick and nice, but it can be a little bit tricky to work with. So my recommendation is to learn your basics first. Yarn like wool, mohair, and alpaca is great for warm sweaters and scarves. Has a little bit different feel to it. Sometimes it's a little bit thinner, depending on if it's a mix or a pure yarn. This one here is acrylic, wool, and polyester, and mohair. Acrylic and the polyester, they are synthetic fibers, which is versatile, durable, and easy to work with. It's a great yarn to start with, to practice your skills, to work up your stitches, and if you make a mistake, it's easy to frog up and redo again. It's a nice yarn. We can divide the yarn into groups of thickness as well. We have superfine. We have 2, which is fine and sport. We have 3 light and DK, 4 medium worsted, 5 bulky and chunky, and 6 is a super bulky. So this is a super bulky. It says here, you can see there, it says super bulky number 6. And we have also, there is also the jumbo, which is a 7. It's a thicker ones. You'll find it in the store. In Sweden, we categorize cotton yarn differently. We have here cotton 8.4, we have cotton 8.8, and here we have the cotton 8.6. The first number defines the thickness of the strands that is the yarn is made up with. So you see here, it's a thin one, and since it's the yellow one, it says 8.8. So the thickness of the strands are an 8, and the yarn is combined with 8 of the thin strands. The other 2 is a thinner yarn. It's also had the thickness of an 8 on the single strands, but here it's only made up of 4, and here it's made up of 6 strands. On the tag around the yarn, you can find the following information. It says how much you get out of the yarn, the material, which recommendation is on the crocheting hook or the knitting needles, and the washing instructions. There is some terms you might come across. I will mention 2 of them. Superwash means that the yarn has been treated to not shrink or get tangled as easy when washed in the machine. Mercerized cotton, like this one, it's also a treatment to the yarn, which makes it more shiny. It's stronger and softer. If you compare it to the other cotton here, except for the thickness, this one here is a little bit more matte, not as shiny as this one. This is not treated and this one is treated. If you like this video, please remember to support me by clicking the like button and press subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Stay tuned!